Like Stashy. She like Stashy.
Hey guys, it's a very own girl anybody, and I'm repping Plugtv Live. Right here we are Lekki protest, the #1 protest that shook the whole of social media, and today is the day 10. So come along with me as I go ask people what they are expecting the government should do for them. Answers hashtag. Hey, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, so tell me, what's happening? What's happening? Why is everywhere crowded?
We are tired of police brutality. We are tired of intimidation by the Nigerian police. We are tired of extortion from the Nigerian police. We are tired of everything from the Nigerian police. It's as if we are not paying them to do their job. The police is supposed to protect lives and property. In fact, right about now, the police is taking life and property. Exactly. Yes. So we are tired. We are tired of it. We are tired of. We want them to end SARS. They changed the name to SWAT. I mean, what's that? We don't. We are tired. It's like changing Diamond Bank to Access Bank. It's still the same.
So why are you here?
To join my youths, to join my mates, to protest for a better governance.
So what exactly are you protesting for?
I'm protesting for better employment for the youth, better amenities for Nigerians. That's the best. That's a basic thing that the government can provide. That's it.
And do you actually see the youth taking over the political seats of this nation, Nigeria?
If they work towards it, they can. And every youth is backing the youth, so we're one. I don't think there will be a divide if the youth raise a leader among them.
Hey guys, we're still right here at the Lekki toll gate protest and SARS, and right here with me is another great Nigerian youth. Good evening.
Thank you. Hi.
How are you today?
I'm doing well.
So tell me, what are you doing here? What's happening?
I mean, I have to be here. I didn't want to be here, but I just had to be here. I was doing a line on Twitter, but it's not enough, and that's why I came. In fact, if you see my shirt, I'm not a coward because I didn't want to come at first. When I told my friend, I was kind of like, Paul, you don't have to go now. But I'm here, and I think I'm glad I'm here. Yeah.
So what exactly are you here for? What are you putting an end to?
I'm here to lend my voice, not just end SARS alone, but all the injustice we currently have. The police are there. You have corruption. You have no job, no employment. You have people struggling to make it. And then you have to deal with the police officers, as the case may be. Terrible. Terrible, I must say. And I'm glad I'm here. I'm glad this is happening. I mean, when I came, there was nowhere to stay, nowhere to park. But I just said I would be here. And I'm glad to be here.
All right. So do you really see the Nigerian youth taking over the political seats of this nation?
Oh, yes, definitely. Definitely. I mean, it would be nice to see Faz running for Lekki State Governor come 2023. It would be nice to see people, very young youth doing amazing things. It would be nice to see youths as special advisors to governors, special advisors to the president, and not just the current ones we have, because we have the ideas and we should implement them. So I think it's amazing. That's what I can say. You know, you have people here. I'm not scared that anybody's going to rob me. I'm not scared that my car will be vandalized. I'm not scared that, you know, anything will happen because I see him, I see you, and I'm like, this is my guy. You get the idea. So he's safe. He's very safe. Yeah.
So one more question, the last, second to the last question before you go. Have you had experience with SARS before?
Oh, yes, I have. Well, apparently I'm a lawyer. And then so most of the time when I'm driving, coming, and then they see me like this, maybe on a weekend. You know, one experience I had was I went to the gym. I was going back home. I was on shorts. And then I got stopped. It was night. And then they were like, hey, where are you coming from? It was so difficult to explain myself to them. So what saved me was when they opened my back seat, they saw files at the back, you know, and then they were like, Oga, you dey work for government? I said, no, I be lawyer. I said, oh yeah, go. So you can imagine what it would have looked like if that didn't happen. You know, with my beard and my look, they're like, now then be this. You know, so it's absurd. And you have friends, clients who will call you at 12 in the night that they were arrested by police, and you get to the police station, the next thing they're telling you, Oga, talk to Rame, do something. It's absurd.
Okay, so the last question before you go. One word for the youth out there.
Don't stop. Don't be a coward.
Thank you.
Justice for all, just ain't specific enough. What some die, heroes be visiting us. Yes. True and living in us. Resistance is us. Yes. That's why Rosa sat on the bus. Yes. That's why we walked in Ferguson with our hands up. Yes. We didn't go down, yes. Woman and man up.
Wave your hands.
Stay down.
Wave your flags.
Stand up.
Wave your placards. Wave your placards. Wave your flag.
Fly,
Hey.
fly.
Hey.
Let me tell you something.
Hey.
Let me tell you something.
Hey.
Those people that we have known and the ones that we
Hey.
know. A lot of people also died that we don't know them. Out of police negligence, they have also died. Some people that have been killed by stray bullet by police. We also remember them today. A lot of you have lost people because of the negligence of government. We also remember them. For everybody who has died for this country, we remember
Hey.
them today. They are our new heroes.
Hey.
They're going to be in record.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Naimo, na Nigeria, our motherland, Siamo. This is our country. We love Nigeria.
Okay. Wave your flags.
This is Nigeria, your country. This is your country.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening.
Can you tell me why you're here?
Well, I'm just here to support the youth. We need to collect. We need to get our country back. This protest for me is not all about the SARS brutality. My experience, well, they couldn't do anything to me. Apparently, I was coming from Ilorin to Lagos after an event, and it was like, Park, what do you do?
What do you do, like an MC or?
I'm an MC, I do events majorly, so they stopped me, and I was not even driving the so-called exotic car, a Corolla for that matter, and it pulled me over. I said, what do you do? I gave him my card, and I told him, see, you guys cannot be stopping me like this. What do you want? I have another event in Lagos that I'm rushing down for. But if you don't do any, I will shoot you and nothing will happen. At that point, I was the only one driving, so I had to open my phone and like, okay, he said I should go. What if on the norms in Lagos, I won't open my phone for anyone. I'll tell them, can we go to your station? Then I will do it. But then I knew if I did not, it's going to shoot me. And I'm in between Ogbomosho to Oyo, inside the bush. Oyo to Ibadan, I mean. So if you had shot me there, now die be that. So apparently, I'm doing this because of my unborn kids, you know. I don't want them to experience what I experienced. We need to let them know that our generation is stronger, is wiser, and you don't have to do 9 to 5 before they feel you're working. Technically, I work Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So I should not do Monday to Friday, like every other person, to afford the kind of lifestyle I live or the kind of life I want to live. So, and that is why I'm going to stand, I'm going to support this. I've been coming back to back, but man, I like the low key, you know, but it got as it be.
Okay, now, my question again. Do you see the Nigerian youth taking over the political seat of this nation?
If we keep the same energy, if we continue like this, because despite everything they've been trying to do to break us, we're coming out stronger. So if we have the same drive, the same passion, 2023, we take over mad.
Okay, so one word for the youth out there.
Do not get tired, don't get exhausted. Is it that we get it now or we forget about it? That's just it. No retreat, no surrender.